Robinhood just introduced prediction markets on the Robinhood app. Now you're able to bet on the potential outcome of the upcoming US election. With event contracts, you'll be able to bet whether Kamala Harris or Donald Trump will win the upcoming election. So today I wanted to cover how you too can make money on choosing your favorite candidate. Let's get started. So this new feature is only available on mobile. Make sure you've updated your Robinhood app to the latest version. Once you launch the app, you will see a probability score on the top here for the chances of the two candidates winning the presidency. So we have Kamala Harris on the left at 46 cents per contract. And in terms of percentages, you can think of that as 46% probability. And on the right, you have Donald Trump at 55 cents per contract, which comes in at 55% probability of winning the presidency. So this is strictly a yes or no bet when it comes to placing your trade. So if you're a fan of Kamala Harris, you would buy one contract of Kamala at 45 cents per contract. Or if you're a fan of Donald Trump, you would buy one contract of Donald Trump at 55 cents. So if you bought 100 contracts of Kamala, that would be $45, and 100 contracts of Donald, that would be $55, and so on. And over time, you do see this probability graph moving in real time. So as of the last week, you do see the odds falling for Donald Trump, yet the odds of Kamala Harris increasing in price. So what about the payout? Every one contract you own will earn you $1 if that candidate is certified in January. So if you own 100 shares of the Kamala contract, that would net you $100. Or if you own 100 shares of the Donald contract, that would net you $100 come in January. So obviously at the time of filming, the probability score is actually higher for Donald Trump. So you will be paying more for Donald Trump contracts. But as it stands, the probability is higher for Donald Trump to be winning. And obviously the contract for Kamala Harris is cheaper at the time of filming. So if you see right under their names here, you have the open interest. So actually you do have more open contracts currently for Kamala Harris at roughly 58 million open contracts, while the Donald Trump position is currently open at over 49 million open contracts. So here we have a timeline. So trading these event contracts is subject to regular market hours. You can only place these trades during regular American stock market hours. You cannot trade this after hours or overnight. And the cool thing is this prediction market is open up until January 5th, 2025. You're actually free to trade in and out of these positions. You don't have to buy and hold it until January. If the value of your contract increases day to day, you're free to sell them in the open market. So officially the last day to trade would be January 5th, 2025. And once the president is officially certified, then the official payout would be January 8, 2025. So whoever you are choosing, you would either buy Harris at the bottom left here, or you would buy Trump on the bottom right. Now let's say whoever you choose loses the presidency, your contract will expire worthless. You will receive $0 if you choose the wrong candidate. And quickly, let's read the About section. Will Kamala Harris or Donald Trump win the 2024 presidential election? Get $1 for every contract you own if your candidate is certified in January, and nothing if they aren't. Or close your position before January 6, 2025. This is a market, not voting. Additional fees apply. So this is a straightforward way of betting on your favorite candidate and a much requested feature by Robinhood users. Personally, I am a fan of this new feature, and it looks like Robinhood will be introducing more event contracts in the future. The other market leader when it comes to prediction markets is polymarket.com. Now the difference with Polymarket is it's strictly a crypto platform. You will need a MetaMask or Coinbase wallet and some USDC stablecoin in order to use this website. So I know for a lot of users, this forms a sort of barrier when it comes to transacting with cryptocurrency. This is why something like Robinhood prediction market is a much more easier platform to use. All you have to do is deposit cash. It does not use any cryptocurrency at all. So are you a fan of this new prediction market on Robinhood? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.